Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now today I'm popping on to share with you the contents of this Amazon.com shipment that we just received today. And beside me I have none other than our very own Livie'S Lovelies courier. Josh, say hi to the people. Hello. Show them both of your hands, because these hands have touched and carried through rain, sleet, hail, or snow every one of those Happy Mails, birthday cards, and racks.
Even though we don't have snow here.
Well, we don't have snow, but sometimes it looks like it's gonna snow, and that's what counts. He doesn't matter what the weather is. He gets those boots on, those rain boots, of course, or his flip flops or whatever he needs to put on his feet, and he dredges through the elements, and he takes your packages to that mailbox, pulls that red flag up with all of his might. All of his might, people, to ensure that the mailman or mail lady picks up your package. So, thank you, Josh, for all that you do for us here at Livie'S Lovelies and the craft community, the lovely community. Now, without further ado, this box is already opened, but we have not actually gone in to see what was in here. And Josh and I, we waited patiently once we saw the notification that said, your guy is 10 stops away. Was he 10 stops away, Josh?
When I checked, it was 5.
And then it was 3. Then it was 2. And then it was 1. We were supposed to be the next stop, and it looked like, what did he do?
He just did not want to cooperate with the GPS.
He was driving all around the neighborhood. I mean, I think the guy wanted to take a break. He was like, enough is enough with all these packages. But nevertheless, without further ado, guys, we just want to share with you what we got in. I'm super excited because I've got the Tim Holtz collage brush. There's ain't a whole bunch of stuff in here. We're just sharing with you what we got. Now, Josh, what did you get? Show the people what you got. You got to put it on.
Oh, this is a clock.
What kind of clock?
It's an alarm clock.
Right. So, and why did you feel a need to get an alarm clock?
Because I need to wake up early because of school.
And what time do you want to get up?
6.
Okay. 6 o'clock. And start your morning routine so you can have a great day and not be feeling like you're stressed and pressed. So yeah, so this is one of those brightly lit ones. We had purchased one before. I ended up having to send it back because it had a mirror on it, and in order for you to see the time, you had to press a button. No, I need for him to see those numbers at all times, okay? And I need to be able to set the alarm. He needs to be able to set the alarm, pause it, and all this stuff. So it needed to have some different amenities. It was only like $14 for this one. And so another thing Josh took out of the box was, and let me just move, I'm gonna move it out of the way, this brayer, because in my previous package that came, Josh handed me that Amazon package on top of there. This came yesterday. Now let me tell y'all this. When you're ordering from Amazon, if there's items in your shipment that you don't necessarily need to come with another item, let's say you're ordering 5 items. If you're trying to get 2 of the items tomorrow or, 2 days from now, and then the other ones you don't mind if they get here 5 days from now or next week, your best bet is to do separate shipments, because what ends up happening is if Amazon is if they have them in their warehouse, or the vendor has actually shipped them to Amazon for them to ship out, upon order, Amazon will wait until they have all of the items from their facility, or maybe perhaps another facility, and once they have them all, they'll ship them all in one box. That's what I'm finding. If you don't if you're not mindful of what type of shipping options you've selected. So for the people who have Prime, obviously most of us have it, the shipping, you have the option of having all of your items come on a certain day of the week. And that's when it's going to default to that. So just pay attention, because this I ordered 4 days. This I ordered 4 days after I ordered this. This came yesterday. This came today. Anyways, so now what's in this package that came yesterday is my gel press, my jelly plate. Well, it's not a gel. I guess it's. I don't know if the word jelly is the brand. or not, but
Why do
nevertheless,
they call it gel plate? Because the thing that you use it with is like jelly?
yeah, well, this is the jelly plate.
Oh.
So I'm excited to get started on this.
Ooh.
And
Feels
it's,
nice.
let me see, it looks like it's about a ½ inch thick. This is the 8 by 12. I got this off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. I probably should have, but we'll see how this works out. I probably should have just went on ahead and got the 12 by 12. But for all intents and purposes, and to stick with my budget, you know, and I'm just spending up my birthday money. Really, that's what this order comes down to. I just needed to keep it $20 more. Josh, can you give me that, please, sir, before you tear it up? Okay. So now this is the brayer. Okay, and the last thing I got was the ring light. And I got this ring light because quite often I want to craft at night, but my lighting, as you can see, is not the best. It's okay. It works for, you know, for what I needed to work for. But it really, I need something that has a little bit more power and it has a little bit more white to it. So I got this ring light. Hopefully this will, you know, be a solution. And I just want to continue to upgrade the channel so that I can give you guys the best content, you know, along with the best crafts. All right. So anyway, so we got the collage brush. I'm so excited about that. Not that this is a necessity, but it just makes life a little easier. And then we've got the brayer. So now your girl will be doing some prints of her own. So stay tuned. I think this is probably the last packages you'll probably see with regards to my birthday. You won't have to hear that word come out of my mouth again, because there's been quite a few videos between racks and happy, you know, birthday happy mail and things of that nature. You know, but I'm happy to celebrate and celebrate with y'all and show you my goods. So anyways, guys, that's about it. And stay tuned for some new prints and some new ideas, and I'll be doing some research on what all I need to purchase. I have acrylic inks, but I'll be doing some additional research to see, you know, what my options are. And so I'm looking forward to bringing y'all along on a journey, dragging y'all along on the journey. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, and don't forget to wear your masks, wash your hands, check in on your elderly and a neighbor. Josh, you want to say goodbye to the folks?
Bye.
Bye, boy. Bye now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.